Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is last week's spread in my classic fitness planner where I used the, what did I use? Oh my gosh, it was sophisticated, fancy florals from the teacher back to school release. Gosh, there's been some great releases recently with back to school, and most recently the Plan to Happy Life Be Happy box. So I will be using these stickers in the spread for May 7th through to Thursday, May 13th. Let's get started. All right, so I am absolutely in love with this sticker book. I love just the decor. I do love the boxes, and I actually like that there's like the fruit and veg in here. I could certainly make use of that in like my food log. So let's see. The first thing I want to do is actually put one big box here. Is that the biggest? I think it is. So let's see what else. Oh no, there's that one. I will be using that one because it's pretty. Okay, whoops. Okay, so write down. I'm gonna put it down just a little bit because there, that's fine, because then I can put something else up here, kind of like a, let's see what else I could put up there. Sticker book has some really great stickers, so why not use the decoration? And I'm actually going to be using some of these for goal setting. So let's put, wasn't there a place for quotes, or did I just pass those? I feel like I just passed them. Or what I could do, I think I used all the quotes. Oh wow. What I think I'm gonna do, oh here, love grows here, so I have plants. I'm going to, this is tough. What am I gonna use? So I put this down like this. Ooh, I like that. So let's put it down like this. There we go. And then I'm going to add those habit trackers so that I can keep track of my goals for the week. So one of the things I also want to start doing is my nighttime routine. So let's checking daily, and I know I'm going to run off to the side here, so let's just white that out for now. Stay consistent with, I just want to make sure I do have enough for all the goals I'm going to set. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do 5. And putting it down, making sure it's straight. And I'll write in there as soon as I'm done decorating the rest of the spread. Why is that crooked? And then the green. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's crooked and I can't even tell you why. Okay, then I think in here I'm going to add, what do I want to add? I don't know. I mean, I feel like I've used all the quotes already. Sorry, I have plants this weekend. Love grows here. Yeah, I feel like I've used all the quotes. Oh, there were more there. Yeah, I've used all the quotes here, unfortunately. Ah, poop. Okay. Let's see. There were some little, I'm going to use these because these are actually really cute. So just little decor on the side. My fitness spread has nothing to do with planting, but there we go. Okay, so then, oh gosh, I didn't even write the date in here. I'll do that towards the end. I'm gonna put, let's go back to the boxes. Ooh, I really like the patterns, but I think what I'm looking for, there's a gardening journal. But I think what I'm looking for is just a box to place here. And I don't think I'll be able to find that. No, there aren't a ton of like boxes that I could write in that would go up here. So I'm gonna focus on, oh, I love those patterned ones. These boxes. So I can use, let's see how I want to do this. Place this here on exercise for Friday. And I don't really care if it doesn't completely match up with that box. I'm going to then place this with, I really want to use these pattern boxes somehow. But I think it's going to require a little bit of layering. So I have an idea. I'm gonna layer it like this. Yes, I'm covering up the day of the week here, but then I will place this here, and this will be for where my weigh-in will be, because I weigh in every Saturday. And then I'll grab another box, smaller box. I'm gonna run out of boxes here shortly, for journaling, so that I can still use that area. I really like that. Okay, then I'm gonna try and do something similar actually on this side. So let's grab another patterned box here, this black one. I really like that. This one I will try and line up as much as I can. And then use, oh, I like the one with the sleeping cat. That one is cute. There we go. That is really cute. And then I have a couple of boxes that I could place elsewhere on the spread. So I'm going to end up using all of these, but that's okay. And then what I might do to kind of help balance things out, I think I'm going to place this one just like this. Now, are they the exact width of it though? Yeah, pretty much. So, no, I will save this for, put this on here. Use this. Put these two together. And actually it's okay if they don't completely overlap perfectly. And then I think one more box down here. It's just a matter of what I can put down there. And then I think I'll be done for putting boxes everywhere. I like the take note and combining it with something else. So maybe combine these two for down here. So I'll make a note of what my workout is. And then in here will go the actual steps and calories that I've burned for that day. Okay, so functionally I think it actually looks pretty good, but now I want to go in and start the actual decoration. So let's put this right here. And then there. like that. I'm basically creating three little clusters around the spread. And I actually really like how that's turning out. So maybe put maybe a coffee here. Then a little plant here. And then I feel like it needs something down at the bottom, so let's go to the back. I like this. Yeah, I could put this here and it wouldn't take up tons of room. Okay, I actually really like that. I think I want to kind of keep it very simple like that. So what I'm going to do then now is actually show you how I kind of fill in one column and then I'll fill in the rest and show you once it's all done. Okay, so, oh, I just had my pen. Oh, there we go. So this top portion here I actually use for journaling. So this, what's the date on Friday? The 7th. And it's Friday. So yes, I journal in here about how I felt after my workout, how I felt after eating, things like that, or if my eating was a little bit off, or if I'm trying something new, I journal all that in here. And then down here, I keep track of my sleep score and my water intake. So I try to aim for 2 liters of water every day. So each of these circles represents 200 mils. And then here I do a pre-tracking of all my food. So writing in my breakfast. And then my lunch, and I just want to see if it's going to match up properly. Yeah, it should be fine. And then lunch this week has been paprika chicken thighs, which have been delicious, with quinoa and broccoli. And then what I've also been doing recently is actually calculating how much protein I've been having. I'm aiming for anywhere from 120 to 130 grams of protein a day. I could do a little bit more than that, but if I'm getting at least 120, I feel like I'm good. And then dinner will be salmon with rice and Brussels sprouts. So really trying to up the amount of veggies I'm having as well. And then in here is what I keep track of for my workout. So it will be lift 4, week 4, day 4, legs. Oh, it's gonna be a hit workout. And then down here I also keep track of the steps that I've taken and then the calories burned. So then this section here is where I'm gonna keep track of my goals. So the goals that I have normally, I keep track of, well actually one of the things I wanted to start doing is my night routine. So my night routine will basically consist of 10 minutes of, getting myself ready, so brushing my teeth, washing my face, and then 10 minutes of journaling, and then 10 minutes of reading. So half-hour night routine, and trying to stay consistent with that. And then my other thing that I want to try and do as well is 2 liters of water per day, and then 12,000 steps per day. 2,000 calories burned per day. And what was the other thing? At least 125 grams of protein per day. I really like these habit trackers. It'll make it a lot easier for me to just check things off. Okay, so that's what one column looks like. I'm going to fill out the rest and then show you once it's done. All right, so there is the finished spread. I really love the way that it looks. I really like these habit trackers. I hate that it's slightly crooked, but it'll do. And then, so once I fill in this week, I love the way a spread looks once it's actually filled in. So, I'll show you quickly it's Wednesday, so I haven't filled that all in, but once it's journaled in, it completes the spread. So this first row up here is strictly for journaling. And then in here, I keep track of my sleep score and my water intake. And then here I have pre-tracked my breakfast, lunches, and dinners. And then as I go throughout the week, then I add any extra foods that I add in, like snacks and stuff. And then Saturday and Sunday, we have no idea what we're doing yet, but I know it's movie night and we might do a takeaway on Sunday night. We'll see. And then down here, I keep track of the activities or the exercises that I will be doing. So I'm currently in the middle of the Beachbody programs, Lift 4 and 10 rounds, so I'm actually doing both at the same time, and I have a schedule of which programs I'm doing on which days. So I'm starting actually week 5 on Sunday and loving the programs, and then I'm keeping track as well of how many steps and calories I'm doing each day. I think what I need to try and incorporate as well is where I'm going to keep track of like how much protein I've taken in and the points that I've been taking in each day, because I've been writing it at the bottom just like that, and it looks fine. I just want to make sure that I have enough room for it, and I wonder if maybe I should have a separate box for it, but we'll see. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Thank you.